Hey, so now welcome to the tutorial where I want you to build Slack. Now Slack will be this. So I don't talk what you will do for previous videos. So if you never watch them, if you go watch those videos, or if you just watch this one. But for this video, I will just continue from where we stop. For where we stopped the last time, we say with the create user, with the field retrieve the user, and what we get with this, we don't create this new user, and with the retrieve, like I run start the server. I start out with dev so that we're not gonna make the mistake we made the other time. You need to watch them for changes. So it's still the build, no error. All right. So now empty. So if we create, they get the ID from the server. Then if we retrieve, but we never still fit persist. So we never save them for database. But for right now, within our module for this video now, how to validate, we need to validate all this input, because for example now, if you change this last name now, you just change down to no be waiting we intend, and I create this. If I come to this and I get them, because it's a create them, you see, and I get value with this front end, we can display something like this. So we need validation. So how if we take do validation with Nest now, which I want to show for this video be that. So we start to do validation. We need for Nest, we need two packages. There's this concept of create DTO, which is data transfer object. So data transfer object, you could define what you expect, the field, the shape of what you expect, and the type. So we need class validators. We need class validator. See, now TypeScript too, but very powerful package. Go help you do validation, and we also need class transformer. So now that one go make that one they come with Nest. We go make and do in Magic the pipe. See, so we need these two packages. Then we go create DTO. Then we go prevent this kind of issue. So first thing we will do, install npm install class validator, and for here I'm going to need to create a new folder. I'll call it DTO. Inside our folder, I will create index.ts. And within index.ts, go do now to export another DTO. We'll say create user DTO.ts. So here we just do export all within the inside create. Within the inside create user .dto. Nothing done there yet, but we'll go put something there now. So create user.dto, which is right. Then we come inside here and we'll create our now the index be this. All right, so this one's supposed to go inside the index. Sorry, so I'll put this one inside the index. We'll go export that one. And for here, we will have export so that other people feel user class create user DTO. Say create user DTO. What we get for the model here? We get. I'll just copy them. Come here. Copy them. Come here. We need even email self. We put email just to. So, but now we don't install this. We will see if we also need the transformer. Now the transformer they come, we don't already do with Nest, so we don't even need to install them. We'll just get them from Nest. Then might just install them. No, npm install class transformer. Then we import is string. Import is string from class validator. Now class validator we need down from. So we import a string. So for this one we get at string because not decorator, and separate all these guys we then do together. So for here, and we also need within the call is not empty. Now also decorator will import from class validator. So it's not empty. So I put these ones like this, and I put this one here, put this one here, I put this one now email. You also get email is email from class validator. Put this one here, important for here. So first we need to go to the main.ts to tell Nest to use that validation pipe. So what we will do for here, we will say app. For here we will say app.use global pipes. Inside the pipe we'll put create new validation pipe. So important from Nest common, and we just need to invoke them. Right, so we don't get this one set up, and this one don't they, so we just need to use them now. So for the controller, I go import this from DTO folder. So I import this one from DTO folder, then I don't need all these ones anymore. I just need only the body, and I don't need to specify the field where I need from inside. I just need this payload. I've called this one payload, then is a type of create DTO. So you complain say we never use them, we will use them now. So you complain, so we need to come out all these ones too from inside here. And create user too, we need to change the structure here, and we need to create user DTO with TypeScript web post import. And here all we just need to do now to do this one here, destruct them from the payload. So we need the first name, we need the last name, we need also the username, and we need the email. Everything they come from here. And then password too, we need the password. Yeah, the complaint say we'll never remove the password here. So everything they come up from here, and may I put the email here too. So if we come here now for the model now, so if you just update this one, we just make this one email. All right, so I think everything done this set. All we just need to do now to start the server with div, so we don't make mistake all the time. We need to remind ourselves. All right, so if you start now, we'll go back here. You will see say we don't go fit create this user anymore. We get invalid if everything go well. You never know. So yeah, no error. It don't start, so we could check. You see, now they tell us the last name should not be empty, last name must be a string, email must be an email. You see, so we don't need to do anything, but we not do anything than before the data even come inside our logic here. Everything they protected with that class transformer and class validation with Nest. Very good one. So we just need to make this work now. So we'll change this one back to Qt, and then we'll add email address because we need to put email address, and that email address must be real email address. So if you just put this test dot at gmail.com, and we just post them, everything define. If you go get the user define, and here if we start them and restart again, if we start them and restart again, this go just okay. So call again, it don't be empty. because we never pass system. So now what I just want to show for this video is, so for next video we'll save the user, but right now we could stop the video for here. I thank you now for watching the video. I hope you now understand. And if you don't understand anything, if you just come to this Slack channel here and post any question, anything where you want to discuss about, or anything where you want to go into detail. If you never subscribe for my video, if you subscribe, and so that if I post new video, YouTube go notify you. So I hope you enjoy. I heal later.